Hello. We're going out for diving today, so it's simply 2 dives. We're gonna do Gemoluk Wall, coming out on the Bunutan, beginning of the Bunutan, and the second dive will be Pyramids. Jan is a big guy, and of course he's using a little bit more air than any smaller person. So that's why I will give him to try side mount, because it's a kind of pity to do only 40-45 minute dives when we have so beautiful reefs, and because of the big air consumption we cannot see part of this reef. So that's why side mount is definitely a solution. Let's do it.
Забыла.
Back to Hello, hello, back to Bedugul again. It's an amazing place. It's like, feels like we're coming home. We're gonna pick strawberries again, and that's the main reason we came here. It's still September, and we're trying to catch up on the last strawberries. Soon it will be over. They have strawberries all year round, but the best time is actually now. And why not? Why not? Hello. Hello, Pak. Hello.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Jam.
So
And
how many
we
kilos?
have some orders. So
How many baskets I have to pick up?
Minimum 2.
Minimum 2.
Yeah, because we
2 for me,
also,
2 for you.
and also for Adriana.
Ah, yeah.
Today, I think.
It's been a little bit rainy all this time, so that's why the strawberries,
So good.
they say like broken or a little bit damaged. But let's try. The main reason we're coming here is not really like strawberries, of course strawberries as well, but it's like the first of all is this feeling of traveling, which we lost for 2 years already, and it's this going somewhere out is really important for us, I think, for any person. And another thing is like this feeling different climate. You need the changes in climate, and when you living next to the sea, it's absolutely amazing and nothing to complain, but you need changes, because if we're living in a even good weather conditions for a long time, we need something different anyways. It's time to finish that greed, that feeling greed, and it's like you go to the next and you see bigger strawberries and you want to take more, and finally we already got like 12 kilograms. Okay, 2 kilos goes to Adriana, but then anyways 10 kilos already, and I think it's a time to stop. That's how guava looks like. That's how it's blooming, and there are fruits already. Three boxes full of strawberries. And,
Maybe this one, the small one, yeah.
looks like a raspberry, but it's not raspberry.
Oh, it's not.
It's black one.
No.
Next stop, Ubud. We'll go and eat something, and then we have a plan for one waterfall. Whatever is closer to Ubud, so that will definitely be the one we will choose. Back to chocolate factory. We were passing by, and since there was actually a chance maybe someone is making any chocolate, at the moment nothing happened. Hello, hello. And so that's why we decided to come back again. Testing again.
Yeah, because I forgot from last time.
That's how they're roasting the cacao beans. Dropping in there and then coming out here. As I say, they are the best place to eat ribs here.
Я вот хочу вот этот, вот супчик.
There is two prices.
For me, this one. Thank you very much, Barung Pondok Madu. That was really tasty. I definitely recommend it if you're around Ubud. This is one of the places you can get really good food. So that's where we are going. This place was closed for construction, and now it's like in the beginning of September they open it, but the parking place was still closed. We didn't understand we can go or no, but then we asked the local guys and they say no problem. Beautiful place. Actually, the waterfall is closed. And they say that they're gonna open only in November because of the big water, it started destroying everything, and then they trying to repair it, and now actually the water doesn't goes on a cascade, right? So that's the thing. Kato Lampo waterfall is closed.